Whether you are just getting started raising chickens or have been raising them for years, welcome to Chicken DIY Guides. Raising chickens is sweeping across the country and can be a great family experience. If you have looked into the price of pre-built coops, you'll know they are crazy expensive. Another alternative is to build your own chicken coop. With Chicken DIY Guides, you don't have to be a carpenter. You just have to have a good work ethic and be able to follow easy instructions. We have several chicken coop designs with easy step-by-step instructions. As you follow the instructions, the chicken coop comes to life. Whether you are looking for a small, medium, or large coop, we have designs to accommodate them all. Don't settle for incomplete plans. Do things right from the beginning. And you and your chickens will be much happier. Congratulations on deciding to build your own chicken coop, and enjoy.